damn, I need a longer toolbox, man. But if you guys are following on the toolbox build out series, you guys will know why I picked this 27 and 30-inch carts. Because I got my OG bound there, homie. You know what I mean? Gonna make some more video story about that. But here we go. Another tool review. This is your big dog, 1/2-inch G2 Ratchet, right? Fixed head. And you got the flex head on there. So, you know, you got the part numbers right there. Hell yeah. You see it right there too. So let's go ahead and take these out and just take a look at them. Let's go ahead and unbox this one here. Oh yeah. You know, there's all the specs on it. You guys can go ahead and read those specs right there. It comes in this plastic icon case that they come with. Yeah, and it's zip tied and clipped on the back. You cut it off and you break off those tabs and then it comes out. So let's go ahead and look at the let's look at the finish on this thing, man. All chromed out. And, you know, similar to the breaker bar that I showed you guys earlier, you know, another plastic overmolded handle right here, comfort grip. They say 26-inch long G2 extra long ratchet. Split paw technology. Yep, so you open up the inside, you know, here's a picture of it, how it looks, and you know, lifetime warranty. There's a close-up of the handle. Oh, you got another embossing here on the overmold. And it's a smooth transition. I used to design plastic injection molds, and I probably designed over a 4 or 5 year period, designed probably like close to 500 of them. From your sub gates to your gates to your hot runners. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, you hear that? That's a nice sound. Doesn't feel like it has a lot of backdrag to this. It's pretty smooth. Now, Harbor Freight has said that they don't use a heavy grease in here. They actually use a light oil. And so these G2s, man, I really do like these. I mean, for the price. And I did get this as a 40% off. So whatever price you see in the store or on the website, you know, you just wait for their sale. You know, you sign up for the coupons, and if you sign up for the ITC discount, man, these work really well. So there you go. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the flex head. Put this one back in. I'm gonna go ahead and transport it like this inside the U-packs. So, man, can't wait to get over there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the flex head. Hell yeah. Let's take a look at the specs in the back. All right, let's go ahead and pull it out. Chromed up polish right here, man. Hell yeah. So let's take a look at this, man. Damn, look at that flex head. Look at that shit. Be flexing, homie. Y'all be flexing or what, man? Y'all be doing the damn thing. Y'all be flexing all the time. Let's hear this. Let's hear this. Oh. Pretty nice sound, man. And it's got the locking feature right there. So you want to lock it in. Yeah, that's how it goes. Now you can't. I mean, there is some play to it. You're going to have some play. Yeah, you can lock it back in at a different angle. So you can be at that angle. You get that angle. And you can see right there, the grooves right there, you know, so you're not going to get every single little angle, but looks like it gets you about another, I don't know, what do you guys think? 5-10 degrees? Somewhere around there? I don't know why you would ever use it like this. It's kind of hard. You're not getting any torque really. So, you know, it's usually going to be something like this type of scenario. And you notice that the handle it's thicker here. You notice at the head, it's thicker here, and it goes. I mean, this is about, I say 3/4 of an inch. Drop forged chrome vanadium, right? And then it gets thicker here. And that's how you want to do it. Again, overmolded rubber comfort grip handle. So there you go. Let's go ahead and put it back in the box. Once I get to the motor warehouse, I'm gonna get that bigger icon. They got that new G2 toolbox. Put a picture over here, so might get that. But that was just a quick review for 1/2 inch extra long G2 Ratchet. Definitely worth the money, given if you buy it with the 40% off, 30-40% off. They change the percentages every now and then, but lifetime warranty. So this is the other thing gonna last a lifetime.